Hello, I'm Cardmaster123, and yes, I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, but today I'm back with a cool card trick. So what we're going to do is we're just going to have the spectator shuffle the cards, and we can do it one more time. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take all the face cards out of the deck. So we're going through the deck and taking out every face card, and then we don't need the rest of the deck. Alright? So we have face cards here. So what we're going to do is we're going to just pair each face card up. So we have a jack and a queen, queen and a king, jack and a king, queen and a jack, and a king and a queen. So we have our pairs here. And what we're going to do is, I'm just going to snap, and they actually go with their pairs. Jack and jack, king and king, queen and queen, king and king, queen and queen, and jack and jack. If you like that trick, don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you know when I post the video revealing the trick.